Hi, how are you? You can see a nice canvas here which is painted in two colors. One is green here, another one is blue here. Now we're going to draw a nice scenery. There's a tree in the middle of it. Okay, so just putting the few, the dark colors here. Then I'm going to draw the trunk of the tree here. As you can see from the brush strokes, the tree is getting visible. Okay, so going to be a very simple, easy and nice scenery. Okay, so you can see the trunks. Okay, the tree bottom part is little bit wider. Okay, and there are some shadow on the ground because of the tree leaves and some other parts. Okay, so the shadow is just spread out in all over the area. Okay, so after the trunk is done, you can put the pink color on the top just to define the tree leaves and the bushes on the top. So just put the pink color all over it. In some places you just need to make it saturated, and in some places maybe diffused, and it's going to be very deep in some places, and in some places it will be the lighter. Okay, so that's why just making the variations in the shadows of the tree. Okay, so later we're going to use the white color, so that's how the tree is going to be nicely visible. Okay, so the purple color defines like it's springtime, and the colorful leaves of the tree, some you can see on the ground. Okay, and in a far distance you can see some blue mountains, some ups and downs over the hills. Okay, partially visible. Okay, so the landscape, it's just coming to an very nice scenery. Okay, all right, so that's almost done. Let's put the white color for the few parts of the trees to show the reflections of the shades and shadow, just to mix up with the whole surface. Just put few dots like this one with the brush strokes. You can see I'm putting right now. Just do like me. Okay, also few for the mountains, you can see here. In the bottom few you can do like this one. Okay, and for the night sky you can put some clouds which is partially visible. Just put some white strokes around it, just here and there, like a not uniform. It's like some spaces it has a thicker, and some spaces it has a lighter effect. Okay, you can just use little bit water to diffuse the whole color with the whole canvas. Okay, just do something like me. All right, touching a little bit in the corner. And also take a little bit white color for the bottom part of the tree. You can just put some white part like this one. on the ground, just to put the landscape in an interesting way. Again, few on the sides of the mountains. Okay. For the sides of the trees also you can do some brushwork for the white part, giving it a 3D effect. Okay, just mix up the whole color like this one. Awesome. And you can just put some white strokes on the purple, just to make the variations of the trees. Okay. Alright, so there's the drawing. It's almost to an end. You can see the total scenery in a solid frame, and if I just move it under the camera, you can see just from the top you can see the clouds, trees and the ground. So there's the scenery. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Have a good day.